Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best mobile trading trick for Kraken app. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to trade fast and smarter on Kraken app, here are some of the best tricks every user should know. Start by switching to Pro mode. It gives you deeper chart, order book, and a tighter control over limit and stop loss order without making the app complicated. Then set up price alert for your key coin so you never miss big moves. When you are not active watching the market, use recurring buy to automate your DCA strategy and combine it with favorites to watch only the coin you care about. When entering trade, use advanced order type like stop loss and take profit so you protect downside and lock in gain automatically. And don't forget to dog dark mode to reduce eye strain when checking chart at night. For security and speed, enable Face ID or fingerprint login plus withdrawal confirmation so your account stays safe during mobile trading. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more fast trading tips, and comment which app you want me to break down next. And that's it.